All right, folks, how we doing? Mr. Carter right here, ready to do homework 7.6. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't yet already, and let's begin. So, we are going to be making a fruit salad today. Actually, Mr. Chow or Chu makes a fruit salad that he sells in his store. Today, he plans to make a fruit salad with 8 pears, 2 cups of grapes, and 4 pints of strawberries. Use the weights below to solve the problem. So, they're giving us some information here that each pear will weigh about 3/8 of a pound. 1 cup of grapes weighs about 2/8 of a pound, and a pint of strawberries weighs 5/8 of a pound. So it's asking you here to write a multiplication sentence to show how much the pears weigh. Well, we have 8 pears. That's what he told us he wants to make a salad with. We know that each pear weighs 3/8 of a pound, so we're going to go 8 times 3/8. And we know that when we multiply a whole number by a fraction, we just multiply the whole number by the numerator. 8 times 3 is 24. Our denominator doesn't change. So it's 24/8. And I know that I can take 8 and divide it into 24 3 times. So that means that 24 over 8 would be 3 wholes. So our answer is 3 pounds of pears. Number 2, they're asking us to write a multiplication sentence to show how much the grapes weigh. Well, if he's using 2 cups of grapes, and 1 cup of grapes is 2/8 of a pound, we're going to go 2 cups of grapes times 2/8 of a pound each. So again, we're just going to multiply the whole number in the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. And we don't change our denominator, so 4/8. So I know that 4/8 of a pound is how much our grapes weigh. Number 3, write a multiplication sentence to show how much the strawberries weigh. Well, if we're using 4 pints of strawberries and each pint weighs 5/8, we're going to go 4 pints times 5/8. So again, what we do is our whole number times our numerator. So 5 times 4 is 28. And I know if I break that down into wholes, so I got 8 over 8, that would be 1 whole. We can do another 8, which would be 16. So 8/8 plus 8/8 is 16/8, and that would leave us with 4/8 left. So we have 1 whole here, another whole here, and 4/8, which would make it 2 and 4/8. So how much does Mr. Chow's salad weigh in all? Show your work. Well, we're going to put our pears, which was 3 pounds, and we're going to add that to our 4/8 pounds of grapes. We're going to add that to our strawberries, which weigh 2 and 4/8. And we're going to add that all together. Well, I'm going to add my wholes first. So I'm going to break that apart and go 3 plus 2. And then we're going to go and add our fractions, 4/8 plus 4/8. So know that 3 plus 2 is 5. 4/8 plus 4/8 is 8 over 8, which I know is 1 whole. So 5 plus 1 whole would be a total of 6 pounds. All right, our practice is some division problems. I'm going to do 5 and 6 for you and have you do 7 and 8 on your own. So I am going to show 361 divided by 8. So I made my division setup here. I'm going to use partial products for this. So I'm going to try, and I'm going to go ahead and do 20 here, because I know that 2 times 8 is 16. And then we're going to add that 0 for an extended fact. And now I'm going to take it away. So 1 take away 0 is 1. 6 take away 0 is 0. 3 take away 1 is 2. So that leaves me with 201. So I know that I can do another 20. 20 times 8 which we just did up here, is 160. Look at that. 1 take away 0 is 1. To trade here, so I got 1, that gives me 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. So I know that 8 times 5 will get me 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. And then I will be left with 1. I can't divide anymore into 1, so I'm going to add my side thing here. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 5 will be a total of 45. And we have a remainder of 1, because we had 1 left over. So 45, remainder 1 is our answer. Okay, number 6. 396 divided by 7. Well, I know that 7 times 5 is 35. So I'm going to go ahead and go right for 50. So I'm going to go 50 times 7. That would give me 350. And if I go ahead and take this away, 6 take away 0 is 6. 9 take away 5 is 4. And I know that 7 times 6 is 42. So I go ahead and take that away and I'm left with 4. I can't divide any more 7s into 4, so that means I'm done. Got to add my side thing. 50 plus 6 is 56, and I have a remainder of 4. So it's 56 with a remainder of 4. All right, that's it for now. If you have questions, please come and see me. Hope this was helpful.